And I'm looking at Polkadot, Polk, and you're doing amazing for Polkadot at the moment. We just have to be careful about Bitcoin right now. And Polkadot is on a technical target to go to $9.77, and then you went to the downside here, went up, came down, went up, came down. This is a perhaps a descending, broadening wedge that you broke out of with authority, came down for the retest, holding the retest, and you're looking to actually pump to $9.77. Now, keep in mind, I'm against the pump if you actually do come down here and take out this level, which is actually going to be $7.63. So if you're going to actually take out $7.63, you're looking for perhaps to go back down. But what I'm going to say is that, it's not even a line. That hear me out. 7.6 is a stop loss that gives you a hint that things are going to get more worse. But you still need a little bit of a more check about Polkadot, okay? At the moment, it's super positive, pretty amazing. I get it. But it's going to be really bad and a shame if you end up making a fake out and, don't move to the upside but fall back to this line, which is now support and which can turn into resistance. So you go to 7.11, come up here, get rejected, and then you're going to be dropping down again to this price level, which is going to be 5.68 or $5.77 as well. So be careful on that at that point. And that's it for this